Hey, this is Chap Arnold. How would you like to get your hands on the best free WordPress tutorials for beginners? What we've done is we've put together an e-learning website that's called wplearning101.com. Okay, it's WordPress learning made simple. It's 100% free, lifetime access, and we add new WordPress tutorials for beginners all the time. New videos that will help beginners at WordPress and even help people that have been working on WordPress for a while that need to just refreshing up on things. We're always updating the videos to make sure that they're up to date so you can get the best guidance on how to use WordPress. Okay, so how this works is you would just click this button right here, start learning now for free. Okay, you can scroll down here and you can look at more about the membership, but like I said, it's 100% free, lifetime membership, and we will not be charging for this. It's 30 plus videos. I think it's 31 right now. You will also get a free guide called WP Learning 101 Guide. It will teach you everything from A to Z in a ebook style with WordPress, so you can learn how to use WordPress. It's very, very simple. If you want to know what videos we will be talking about in these WordPress training tutorials for beginners, you can come down here and you can see all the videos. If you're a real new beginner, it will show you how to buy a domain name and go all the way down to learning how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress website. Like I said, a lot of people are looking for videos on how to use WordPress, WordPress for beginners, just lots of different ways to find out how to build a website. And usually people come across WordPress because WordPress is so easy to use, plus the platform is 100% free other than the domain name that you buy. So it's very, very simple. Plus there's lots of videos on YouTube, showing people how to do things. But, we had a lot of people, over the years, saying, hey, I hate looking all over the internet, all over YouTube, for YouTube videos about how to use WordPress. I like a simple place where I can actually get these videos and I can go back and forth as I please and learn how to use WordPress, okay? But for beginners, okay? Not some advanced stuff that could be out there and people start watching and get more confused, okay? So what you can do is, like I said, go through these videos to see what you're going to learn, okay? And then always, if you have any kind of questions, you can come right over here and you can click on our support, and you can put your name right here, your email address, and then your question right here. Just click right here that we have permission to receive your email and to send you a reply back. It's that simple. Here's our phone number if you need it. But basically, like I said, you can watch this video right here. It kind of just gives you a little history and different things about WordPress. But if you want to get started, all you need to do is just click Start Learning Now for free. It's very, very simple. I'll just show you the steps and how it works, okay? Just type in right here. I'll just put my information right here, and I'll type in the email address right here. Check this box right here that you agree to sign up. Keep this box checked right here because we'll be sending out different emails when we update different WordPress video tutorials for beginners and different videos on how to use WordPress that we want you to see. Plus, if there's any products and services that we're coming out with that we think that can help your business or your website or your WordPress website, whatever it is, we want to send you emails so we can keep helping you on this WordPress adventure, okay, with these free WordPress tutorials, okay? So once you fill in your name and your last name and your email address, just click place order. Okay, you'll just see this right here. You'll see it's free. All right, and then you can come down here and you can actually see your course right here that you'll get. And then we'll check our email too, but this will show you exactly the information, kind of just going over everything. And then, like I said, you can go on your leisure, however you want to do it with these how to use WordPress training videos for beginners. You can just go in any way that you want, but it's very simple. Here's the module 1, getting started. You just click on that right there. It opens them all up, okay? So once you go through all these, it keeps track of them, but you can always go back to them and look at different ones. You just click right here, and what will happen is it'll pop right open here, okay? There it is. And then if you want to go through the next module 2 that goes over other videos, okay, here they are. And you can just click on any one of these things, whichever one you're going through. But I would tell you to go through them from the beginning to the end. And then what you can do is just click on that right there. You can see the next ones right here. And then for your free WordPress tutorial ebook, you click right here. And then you click on download. Then here's the ebook, and you just click download. ebook right there, and you'll get access to it. All right. And then what you can do is you can come back here all the time. We'll send you your information so you can log in. You can change that login information at any time. So let me just go over here real quick. All right. You will get some emails right here. So let's click on this right here. Okay, this just tells you thank you and it costs you nothing. All right, then we'll go for this one right here. All right, same information right here. All right. Here's the information right here. You can see right here, this is your username right here. And you can see that it automatically generated a password that you can use, okay? So once you set it up, just save this information. If you want to log in and change this, you can go inside and log in the members area and you can change your password however you want. It's very, very simple. All right, so that is it. So let me go back over here and go back in here. All right, so like I said, if you have any questions about, maybe videos that we don't have, or you need extra help, or that you want to learn more about WordPress, like I said, just write our support and let us know, what's going on, what are your questions, so we can help you. You can check out some of our other tabs up here. You can analyze your website if you have one. You can look at pre-made niche websites where you can start earning affiliate commissions from setting up your own pre-made WordPress affiliate websites. And especially once you learn how to do, use WordPress, you're going to be able to do a lot of this stuff on your own without having to pay people to set up these websites for you, okay? So I hope this video helped. We also have some videos down here, once you get more advanced and you want to learn, how to speed up your WordPress website to a whole nother level, security for WordPress website, and Elementor, so you can really put together your WordPress website and really blow people away by the quality and the way that your WordPress website looks. These are all paid. We have them set up for a very good low price because we're not, like I said, we're here to help. We're not trying to take your money. We're just trying to make sure that you invest money into something for these paid versions as an investment into your business, okay? But like I said, today what you're signing up for is the WPLearning101.com WordPress Learning Made Simple. That is 100% free e-learning video tutorials about WordPress, okay? So this is Chapo Nova. Like I said, if you have any questions, pop up here, click the support, or below this video in YouTube, you can click the in the comments area and you can type a message right there and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video on how to use WordPress for beginners, okay? Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Enjoy these WordPress tutorials. Bye-bye.